How to open Halifax bank account online. So if you want to open Halifax bank account online, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser and go with search and search for Halifax bank, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you can simply go with the bank accounts, which is right here, or you can just go with the website itself. So once you click on bank account, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down and you will have our bank account. So you just need to simply scroll down again and you will have an option of ultimate reward current account, and current account. You can simply choose any one of these. So I'll just simply choose the current account. Once you've selected, you need to scroll down again, and with the current account, you'll get all of these features. So if you scroll down, you'll have more about the offers. So just go with apply on the website, and under that you need to go for I'm a new customer or I'm an existing customer. If you already have an account with Halifax, you can go with an existing customer, but in my case I don't have any account, so I'll just go with I'm a new customer, and you can just simply go with continue, and here you need to go with no, and then scroll down, click on next, and now you need to enter the information. So first you need to enter your first and last name. If you have your middle name, you can go with your middle name as shown in your passport or your ID. And then you need to enter your gender and enter your title, such as Mr., Miss, Mistress, like that. And you need to enter your mobile number with the country code. Once you go with next, it will take you to the next page where you need to enter your household. Like you need to enter your postcode, your house or flat number, like your address, your permanent or your corresponding address. Once you enter your address, you need to again go with continue, and it will take you to the next steps where you can just simply enter your following information. Once you enter your information, your account will be open on Halifax Bank. So make sure that your account is genuine and make sure that your documents are correct, and your account will be created. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.